Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are at the beach with our goth dolls. This is Gothea in the, well, Wednesday Addams inspired swimsuit, as well as her sidekick Opal in her gold with her rainbow hair. I'm in love with that doll. Why would my dolls have an average yellow rubber ducky? No, they brought this. They have their little cooler. Darren printed these. Are they the coolest? I mean, oh God, I love those. So they're just sitting here with their umbrellas, and look what they're looking at. We're feeding our catfish. It's a lovely day here today. The Dolls Gone Goth is a collaboration that J Dolls UK and I do once a month on the 16th, unless it's a Friday, and then, or unless there's a Friday the 13th, and then we do it then. When Jay came up with Goth at the Beach, I thought, oh, I have an idea. So I took a sock and I turned it inside out, and I put a seam in here, you know, like a V to cut, and then just a very small seam there, seamed up the sides here, and made this little swimsuit. Now this is a little big. If it were further down, if I had left less at the crouch, it could have gone on like this. I don't hate it.
Wednesday'd have it up to the neck anyway.
There you go. Yeah, there you go. So this is Gothea. I love this doll. Let me show you Opal. This is Gothea's sidekick, Opal. I just got her. I did a box opening. I've added beads. I'm not doing any kind of face up to her. I think she's pretty. I love her milk white gothic skin. I put little beads on there. Oh, and she has new earrings. I hope you can see the bling. And they really are shining. They're just cheap AliExpress earrings, and I really like them. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we're coming to you from Lake Thimble, we call our place. And if you look this way, oh, you can almost see the horses. If you scoot this way, the horses are up on in the field, and you can see the barns up there. And that's where our house is. We love it here. It needs to be mowed, we know. Here are my horses, Arrow and Winnie. I did not name Winnie. And they have on their fly masks. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. And if you have a Dolls Gone Goth video today, would you please leave that in my comments? The hashtags just do not work anymore. Thank you, J Dolls UK. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to everyone that has a video for Dolls Gone Goth.